Welcome today in front of me OPPO Reno 5 Lite, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go to the settings app, and here just tap on the sound and vibration section. Here you'll see the vibration settings. Our vibration now is turned on. Just to turn it off, tap on the switchers and you'll just turn off the vibration when someone call you, or also you can just turn it on. Also we got here the silent mode. Just to turn it off, tap here on the switcher, and to deactivate it, tap again here. Here we got the volume of our media, ringtones, notifications and alarms volume. You can change the volumes by swapping with your finger the dots to the left or to the right side. Also we get here the volume button function. For example, we can switch your volume buttons to change the media volume or the ringtone volume. Also we got here the don't disturb mode. You can activate it by just tapping on the switcher. Also we can here find the ringtone and notification sounds. We can change that just by this way, and here you can select one from the notification sounds. Now we'll just go to the other settings. For example, we got here the recorder settings. Also we can just wake the Google Assistant with the power button, but there is another settings. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.